Want to remove WinRAR from your Windows PC? Whether you're switching to another archive tool or simply don't need it anymore, uninstalling WinRAR is pretty straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you the safest way to remove it and check that it's completely gone. Before uninstalling, close any WinRAR windows you have open. Also, make sure you're not currently extracting or compressing files. If WinRAR is still being used, Windows may prevent the uninstall from completing properly. Next, open Windows settings from the Start menu. Select Apps, then Installed Apps. This is where Windows lists the programs currently installed on your computer. Use the search box and type WinRAR to find it quickly. When WinRAR appears in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm. Select Uninstall again, and the WinRAR uninstaller should open. Follow the prompts to remove the program. If WinRAR doesn't appear in Windows settings, you can use the classic control panel instead. Open Control Panel, choose Programs, then Programs and Features. Find WinRAR in the list, select it, and click Uninstall or Change. Follow the WinRAR uninstaller prompts until the process finishes. You may see a user account control message asking for permission to make changes. If you're sure you're uninstalling WinRAR, choose Yes and let Windows complete the process. Now let's make sure it worked. Open Settings again and search Installed Apps for WinRAR. If it's no longer listed, the application has been removed. You can also check the Start menu and search for WinRAR to confirm it no longer appears. One more thing, uninstalling WinRAR doesn't delete your existing RAR or ZIP files. Your archives should remain safely on your drive. If you install another archive program later, you can choose it as the default app for those file types, and that's it. Close WinRAR, uninstall it from Windows Settings or Control Panel, and verify that it's no longer installed. Yeah, pretty simple.